Hi, I'm Jake and I'm the Applications Engineer at LAeq UK. And today we're running through the 971A starter pack. This kit features the 971A sound level meter, foam windshield, calibration chart, licenses for first and third octave and audio recording, as well as the waterproof hard carry case. The 971A is the smallest Class 1 sound level meter available to buy. Its applications are in occupational noise measurements, building acoustics, and basic environmental measurements. The 971 connects to our two apps via Bluetooth, Assistant Pro and the Building Acoustics app. The BA app specialises in building acoustics, allowing you to review and report on simultaneous devices, create projects and generate reports directly from the app. The Assistant Pro app allows you to review and record live data, as well as change settings on the fly for the 971. The 971A comes with a 3-year warranty as standard, with the option to increase this via Acoustics' 10-year extended warranty for a decade of reliable measurements. If you're worried about setup, it couldn't be easier. With 4 AAA batteries inserted and a press of 2 buttons, you're ready to go. If the 971A starter pack sounds like a solution for you, don't hesitate to get in touch or visit our website.